What's good, E-Crew? Welcome back to the channel. Me and Martin are going to Santa Fe Dam on street riding using my Super73 72 volt gray RX, and he's got the Revv1 Ride1up electric bike, dual battery. We're actually checking out a street route that if it has a flood or not, all the way like in Monrovia area, just to check it out. That tiny motor actually has some pretty good kick for that small of a motor. That Revv1 Up bafang magnesium wheels, the ones that they use. Seems pretty efficient too. Not too torquey, but not too slow either. And I just love that it has signal lights already too. 36? Damn, I only got it to 35. It matches you. Alright. Entering Santa Fe Dam Regional Park. Alright, we're going towards the Duarte area. I think I started my battery today at 78 volts, and right now we're around 75 volts. He's liking that Revv1. Max throttling and everything. Yeah. That Revv1 Up is like such a solid build already that I looked at everything and I don't really feel like upgrading it because it's really good as is already, in my opinion. I don't want to make it like a heavier bike. I already like the light system too. It's pretty bright and has signal lights already. I really like the mag wheels. If they ever come out with mag wheels with strong motor, like 1,000 to 2,000 watt or even 5,000 watt motor with mag wheels on electric hub motors on e-bikes, then maybe I would consider it. But right now, I really like the Revv1 as is. I'm gonna keep it a slow bike for now. Time to go to Duarte. 80% confident that if I wanted to upgrade that bike a little bit, it would have to be 60 volt with that same stock motor. I'm pretty sure it can handle 60 volts, but not any more than that. 72 volt, the gauge of the wires is a little too thin for a 72 volt. It'll get heat, it'll get warm quick. Alright, we're in Monrovia already, going south on Mayflower. Where the nice houses are. Heading towards pet conservation, water conservation area. See if there's a flood or not. Alright, pretty much in Arcadia now. Going towards the golf course area. See if we have a connector there. Hopefully it's not flooded. What do you think? Flooded or not?
I've never been here.
Yeah, you have.
Not from here.
This is the Emerald Necklace Loop.
Yeah.
Remember where Kevin kind of fell somewhere here? You weren't there?
No, I don't think I was here.
Oh.
It is all brand new.
Really?
Yeah,
You never seen this golf course? Alright. Yeah, it looks flooded. I could see it flooded already. Do not cross when flooded. As expected. Yeah.
All day.
Yeah.
Through it?
Yeah, let's go through it. Fuck it. That's at least three feet deep. No way. No way, Jose. Alright, let's turn back then. Oh well, it's worth a try. Hung out here for like maybe 5 minutes, took some pictures of the bikes. I might sell this bike. I really don't want to, because it's such a clean Super 73, mint condition. And, you know, not a lot of Super 73 is 72 volt, let alone dual battery setup the way I have it here. I don't know. I'm still on the fence. I just took pictures just in case. I'm gonna list it. You could see a lot of Super 73s are flooding the marketplace now. So I doubt I could even get 3K for this, but I'm gonna try to get 3K. It has 72 volt, 25 amp triangle battery, and it has a 52 volt, 20 amp capacity battery underneath the tank. This tank right here is just it's a fake. All the batteries are in here in the enclosure, so it makes a good weight distribution overall. Look at that bike, guys. Look is too clean. It's like when you spend so much time on your project, you get real attached to it. Just like one-of-a-kind bikes. Anyhow, that's gonna be in today's vlog. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. And check out those links in the description below for discounts on your e-bikes. See you guys in the next adventure. Peace. It's pretty much Martin's birthday, so we're gonna take him to a Korean barbecue, all you can eat. He has not been, can you guys imagine? This 35-year-old man that never had all you can eat Korean barbecue. Hilarious.